Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the GRE. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure and scoring. Then, take a full diagnostic test to understand your current strengths and weaknesses. This initial assessment is crucial for creating a focused study plan. Based on your diagnostic results, set clear, achievable score goals for both the verbal and quantitative sections. This foundational work will guide your entire 2-month preparation. For verbal reasoning, consistently build your vocabulary and practice reading comprehension. On the quantitative side, revisit core math principles, including arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and data analysis. Focus on understanding the underlying concepts, not just memorizing formulas. Practice a variety of question types from official GRE materials to solidify your understanding and improve problem-solving speed. As you progress, integrate full-length practice tests into your weekly schedule. Treat these as real exams to build stamina and manage time effectively. After each test, thoroughly review every question, especially those you answered incorrectly or struggled with. Understand why you made mistakes and learn from them. This analytical approach helps refine your strategies and improve your score significantly. In the final weeks, shift your focus to reviewing high-yield topics and your personalized notes. Avoid learning new material. Instead, reinforce what you already know. Prioritize adequate rest, nutrition, and stress management to ensure you're in peak condition on test day. A calm and confident mindset is just as important as your knowledge. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Good luck with your GRE.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.